Hello traders and investors, Anton Zharkov here, the author of Eyestock and retail investor. Today I'm gonna show you my trade from start to finish using Eyestock, and the logic behind the trade I will try to explain you using Eyestock. But first of all, let me mention and to make a brief disclaimer that this is not a financial advice. This video is only for educational purpose. Well, let's begin. As you might remember, in the last video I have been looking for defensive stocks in order to create recession-proof portfolio. And by doing so, I was searching for high-rated companies being undervalued or greatly undervalued with market capitalization mega or large cap in such sectors, defensive sectors as consumer staples, healthcare, US only market, and the recent financial reported company. So this is how the list looks right now. But when I looked at a couple weeks ago, there was one particular company you are thinking first of when we speak about consumer staples. It is Costco, a very big retailer in the US. And right now, Costco is not at that list for two particular reasons. First of all, the rating is not that high anymore. It has been downgraded by the system down to 99 points, and it's greatly overvalued. So for me, it was one of the most obvious ideas, and I was quite surprised that it was already overvalued. So the market has already switched its capital from cyclical industries and sectors to more defensive stocks and making a bubble, I guess, in this particular stock. So right now, if you would like to find Costco in the system, it would be greatly overvalued, yes, and it would be consumer staples sector with medium rating. So let's have a look. As you can see, recent financial report shows not that great results, and in combination with overvaluation, I think there is a possibility for a short idea. Yes, short in the market. Why? Because the bulk of the market is heading to defensive stocks, and in this particular action they are pushing too much. That's why I would like to check the components. The components are quite good, except profitability. Yes, in terms of profitability, we can see very low net profit margin, 3%, and low gross margin. Someone would say it's a normal situation for retailer. There are no big margins in this particular sector. However, this exact company shows better results in previous months, and I would say that the company was doing good, yes, especially according to the financial report after the first quarter, and the rating was high, yes, but now we can see a decrease of financial metrics, and I would say in combination with this tendency of being undervalued, there is a particular small opportunity to short this stock. why I'm thinking about the short, I can explain you via fair relative valuation. So right now the stock is being overvalued approximately by 26%. If you have a look, there is some kind of hit in this stock. Everyone would like to be defensive right now, yes, and in this will to get this particular stock in order to decrease your beta in overall portfolio and to get exposure in consumer staples, maybe some traders are overpaying, and the target for this particular trade would be exactly this valuation level 773. I prepared option chart. I'm thinking about January expiration. Yes, it's 107 days, and buying 840 put. Yes, this would give me a profit at my target around $4,472 per contract, and break-even point at 814. Let's have a look at the technicals. So right now the Costco is trading right below its all-time highs, yes, but we can see several divergence on the weekly time frames and one divergence on the daily time frame, and the recent earnings report that was interpreted by the market, I would say, neutral. So in combining all the fundamentals, I would say that Costco is one of the best consumer staples stocks, defensive stock. But the general investor public rushed too quickly and too fast in this particular stock. Taking into consideration weaker reports of the second quarter and overvaluation of 26%, I would say there would be a correction down to 773, hopefully, and I would like to exploit that idea by buying puts. And let's have a look in the next video how I can profit or take a loss in this position. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.